Hello everyone, welcome once again to Mary Edward Tasty Treats. Today I will be making all-in-one fried rice with you, and the following items as shown on the screen are what we will be using. I have here some vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, scallions, onion and sweet peppers. Then I have also chicken, eggs and shrimps. So we are going to make egg, chicken, shrimp fried rice. Let's begin. I will start by making the rice, but I will make it in a way that will be a little different from what you know or you have seen. So first I will put in about a tablespoon of coconut oil in the pan and allow it to melt. I will add in some onions. I will leave half of the onion to use later on. Whilst the onion is still on the fire, I will add in the eggs. I will add a little spice, a little to the egg, and mix and add to the onions. Add it now. This is a method I have tried and it works very well. At this time I will add in about 2 cups of water. Half teaspoon of salt, I will add in 2 cubes of this chicken seasoning. And stir to mix it well with it. Whilst the water is heating up, I'll wash the rice and add to it. So I'll cover it. I finished washing it and drain all the water. So I'll add it to. now leave it on medium heat to cook. Whilst the rice is still cooking, I'll start by frying the chicken. I have in the pan coconut oil. This is the marinated chicken. It has ginger, garlic, small lemon juice, and Adobo All seasoning. I'll throw in the chicken now. Is almost done, so I'll throw in the shrimp also. The shrimp cook faster, so I'll just add in the shrimp. Add a little more spice to it. I will add in the remaining of the onions. Just a little curry powder. I will also add a little pepper for heat. Wow. I will add in a little more of the ginger and the garlic. And a lemon juice. I will add in the veggies and allow it to cook for maybe a minute, about a minute. These are the sweet peppers, cabbage, and carrots. I'll let them cook a little while before I add the scallions. Having the spring onion or scallions now. It's ready. Now we are waiting for the rice. I'll check on the rice now. I will add the rice to the veggies and stir in some soy sauce. About 1 or 2 teaspoons soy sauce. And stir together. How more wonderful can this food be? Not just wonderful, but tastes so delicious. Thank you for making chicken, egg, shrimp, fried rice with me today. Bye.